decided to situate the freestanding tub along the side. So one, so it was near the window, but also so it was out of the way of the walking space. It just makes for a really nice transition to get in. You can sit down, ease on in. Just a really great place to soak and relax. Having the water spout on the back side is also really great, not only for accessibility for the spray, but also so just out of your way. Really easy, quick fill, just a really overall beautiful design. You're able to really get in deep and soak down deep as well. Also another element here, we took the shower wall tile, the large scale tile, and just continued it all the way across the wall here. So it's a really smooth transition. Also, for waterproofing, same trim edges, same champagne bronze hardware to tie everything in. It's really common in this area to have the extremely large soaker tub and then a smaller shower. So that was kind of the first thing that we talked about, was making this shower larger and open, doing the nice glass enclosure so that it was just felt really clean and wide. And then doing the free standalone tub too was really important. Adding some decorative elements like the waterfall strip of mosaic, making sure there's a niche so that we can add all of the different products that you need that are easily accessible. This is also a teak bench that folds down just for some nice accessibility, just to sit down, relax when you've had a long day. Really beautiful champagne bronze gold, which is really coming in with really popular right now, and it's just beautiful contrast with everything. We also added that on the edging, the trims, large scale tile, so there's less grout, just easier cleaning. And then also taking that mosaic down to the shower floor too, just for a decorative element. One of my favorite things to do also on the shower enclosure is to include the solid surface countertop material on the curb. It just makes for a very clean transition as well as easier cleaning as well. So storage is always a thing with just about everybody, but especially in this home. So behind me, you see we have some very large standing pantries for additional storage, for additional clothing, or just back stock for toiletries and things of that nature. Same with that quarter sawn oak like you see on the kitchen island. So it just kind of brings things full circle for the style. Skinny shaker, long hardware. The hardware also matches the kitchen as well, so it's just a nice tie-in. Very nice edge detail here. Nice soft curb. Same thing, the curb is tying into the countertop. Countertop is tying into everything else. Also having the bank of drawers separating each vanity is also a really nice thing to have, not only for more storage, but just kind of a separation of space. Also, same thing, hardware is matching. And as the doors and drawers kind of change in size too, so does the hardware. So that's just a really nice element to add to this